Good morning, friends. Welcome to our Life on a Dime. Today we are going to hit up the Goodwill and see if we can find anything. And then after that we're going to hit up the Aldi's right next door. Stay tuned. I just found this. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can tell. It's only $3.99. Let's see if it looks like all the pieces are here or not. Okay, yeah, I just kind of peeked in here and I don't know if all the pieces are here or not, so we're going to go ahead and put this one back. So guys, look what I just found. I do very well with these little kits. Brand new. I did open it. I did get permission from Goodwill to open these because you can't return them. And they're brand new. So far I found this Artesian Liberty sailboat for $7.99. Put that under my cart. And I found this here. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this or not. This is an adapter to your quilting sewing machine. And that one's $3.99. And then these other ones that I already showed you guys. So I think I'm really hitting the jackpot because tomorrow is 50% off day for Memorial Day. So I think that's why. I am like finding all of these unbelievable science kits as well, but I don't know if I'm going to get these or not. Yeah, I definitely think I hit the jackpot coming today because everybody's holding off to come tomorrow when everything's 50% off. But we came today just because I'm going to Aldi's in a few minutes, so we stopped in to see what they have, and I am hitting the jackpot, so it's pretty awesome. Alright guys, so I'm putting back some of the stuff I had in my cart. I'm putting this back only because it's all loose. I'm not sure, but wait until you guys see. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put this back only because they're open and they don't take returns here, so if it doesn't have all the pieces, I would be SOL, but you're not going to believe what I found. You guys know, you saw this one. I'm going to get that. I think I can get at least 50, minimum 50. I do really good selling the sailboat models. That one's $7.99. But look what I found, guys. I've never seen this before. That one's only $3.99. So I found this and I picked it up because it was new. And I just looked this up and it sells from anywhere from $50 to $100, guys. Online, brand new. And today is $1.99 if it's a blue. So, hello, that's a massive score. These I was contemplating getting. They're brand new, but the top's been taken off. I'm contemplating getting these because they only sell for anywhere from $30 to $40. I don't know. So, but yeah, guys, can you believe the scores I'm finding in the kids department? This is amazing. I'm gonna look see if I can find some more stuff on this. So, doing good today. We're doing good. Guys, I keep getting screwed up because somebody keeps coming down my aisle, but I have this corrector set, which I'm definitely going to get for resale. Then we have this sailboat. I don't know if I told you this here I found. So I found this here. I picked it up because it's still sealed. And I was like, oh, what's this? And I just looked it up, guys. This goes for about $100 on Amazon. And it's $1.99 today. So talk about a score. Definitely getting that. So okay, I've got these 3 things. And then look at this beautiful bowl. And that's $5.99. So I think because tomorrow is 50% off, the resellers are waiting until tomorrow to come, but they're missing out on all the great deals. So I'm going to be going to a different Goodwill tomorrow, but I just stopped here because I'm going to Aldi's, and this is right next door to Aldi's. But these are a really good buy too. These are those candle warmers, Scentsy candle warmers. Those are pretty good, but I don't want to deal with those right now. But there's a whole bunch of them. Look at them all. $4.99. So that's pretty awesome, guys. So I'm just gonna. So I got these 2 here, and those will sell really good around Christmas time. That game and this bowl. So far that's what I have. And I'm going to keep looking, but I'm just about done, I think. We're finding some great deals today. Warm vanilla sugar. That's my favorite. Oh, heck. Let's see what we have here. My son just bought me a whole thing of warm vanilla from Bath and Body Works. That's my favorite, but it looks like it's missing some stuff. But, all right, guys, I don't want to use up my whole battery in here, so I'm going to get going, and I'll let you know when I'm done. And we will head over to Aldi's, so stay tuned. I want to show you this is really pretty too. This vase here is really pretty, but they want $10 for it. So we're going to pass on that today. Alright, we'll see you in a few minutes. So we're just checking out the housewares, and then I just found this here. I thought it was a Fitz and Floyd. Look how cute it is. But it's a Homeco, and it sells for $15 to $20. It's adorable, but I'm going to leave it behind. That's pretty much it. I'm going to check out the handbags and the shoes before I leave. You can tell those are old. Turn around, walking backwards. Let's turn around. Alright guys, heading over to the purses. Gonna check out the handbags and the men's shoes. See if there's any good boots or anything in the men's department. And we're out of here. It's one thing you don't see here in Florida is coats. You won't see coats here. They must send that to auction. See what kind of boots they have. Those are beat up. Nope, nothing special. I just sold a pair of moccasins made in Italy for close to 100. So I always check the men's shoes. Their handbags have really gone downhill. It's like all garbage. Sometimes I can score a wallet here or there, but for the most part, it's mostly garbage. But that's why I'm excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going out of town to a different Goodwill for their 50% off. And I'm excited because that's where I found the all the shoes and everything the last time I went thrifting. So I'm excited about tomorrow. But yeah, this particular Goodwill, they put out garbage for handbags. It's usually cracked, peeling. No good. Nancy Drew. See? That's pretty good. Except for now I'm going to the bins outlet for books. I'm doing pretty good too, selling them on Whatnot. Doing very good on there. I'm buying them for 10 cents and I'm selling them for anywhere from $2 to $4 a piece. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, well, I'm going to wrap it up here. Gonna go check out and then head over to Aldi's. I guess I'll let you know what I spent when I get out of here, so stay tuned. Alright,
something fell inside
so
her.
hubby just came here and said let's look and find one small piece and see if they're all in that bag, and unfortunately they're not. They're missing, so missing pieces, so this is gonna go back. Okay, and then I picked this up. This is a really ugly, I don't even know what it is. and I put it back down. And I was like, no, it's too ugly. I can't buy it. I can't get it. It's too ugly. So hubby just came and he's like, oh, look at this thing. And it didn't have a price. So I went and asked how much it is. It's only $2.99. Well, hubby looked this up, and this has a resale of about $50. So we're going to get this so far. And then hubby's just looking at the boat, the sailboat for me to make sure it looks somewhat good. So we're down to 3 things that we're getting. And then I told you guys this here. Sealed, brand new. This is a Abeka. I think it was they use this for Abeka, I thought. Now I'm second guessing. But anyways, this is resale for anywhere from $50 to $100. So we're getting this, that ugly looking troll looking thing, and then hopefully the sailboat.
Yeah, this is all in there.
Okay, so we're gonna go check out and we'll see you in a minute.
Yeah, 239.
Oh, that is neat.
Si quiere apuntarse para el punto, no sé si aquí o una de esas realizadoras tiene un código que puede escribir en la cámara y ahí puede.
Would you like to use the 54 space you have?
Oh, yeah.
Right, 1324 is your total.
How much was it? 13? 1327. Alright everyone, so we're out of the Goodwill and we only ended up with 3 items. The sailboat kit, that ugly troll looking wood carved thing, and what was the other thing I got?
The game.
Oh, and the game that sells for anywhere from $50 to $100, and our total was only $13.81. So that's everything for today. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel so you can be notified the next time we put up a video, and thanks for watching. Stay blessed.